In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share tasks Google Calendar. To make this smooth, we'll use a tool called Taskboard, which connects directly to Google Calendar so your to-dos and dates stay in sync. Start by opening your browser and going to taskboard.com. Sign in with your Google account. Using your Google credentials links Taskboard to the same calendar data you already rely on, so anything you add or change will stay updated across both places. Give it a moment for your existing tasks to sync. Once you see your lists and items in Taskboard, you're ready to move on. Now switch over to Google Calendar by visiting calendar.google.com. In the upper left, click the Create button. A menu appears, choose Task. This opens a simple panel for your new item. Add a clear descriptive title so it stands out at a glance. Next, set a specific date and time. This keeps your schedule accurate and helps Calendar place the task exactly where it belongs. If the task includes several steps or key details, use the description field to capture those notes, links, or quick reminders you don't want to forget. When everything looks right, click Save. Thanks to the integration between Google Calendar and Taskboard, that task will now show up in both places automatically. Edit it in Calendar or in Taskboard. Either way, your changes will sync so you won't need to duplicate work. This is great for staying organized, whether you're planning your week on a calendar grid or managing a focused list of action items. To share a task list with other people, hop back to Taskboard, locate the specific list you want to share, then click the three-dot menu next to its name. From the options, select Share List. Taskboard generates a unique sharing link for that list. Copy the link and send it to teammates or collaborators using email, chat, or whichever platform you prefer. Anyone with the link can view the list and even contribute to it, which makes coordinating responsibilities and tracking progress much easier. As a best practice, share the link only with people you trust and keep list titles and descriptions clear so everyone knows what each task means. And that's it. By following these steps, you can create, manage, and share tasks using Google Calendar and Taskboard without missing a beat. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Calendar tips and tutorials.